everybody, it's Elizabeth from Country Sampler. One thing I've noticed about a lot of our homeowners is they love to paint their furniture with chalky finish paint. It's very forgiving, it's very easy to work with, and the results are awesome, especially if you love like a farmhouse, chippy, aged kind of look. Some people are daunted by the idea of painting their furniture, painting their goods of whatever kind, but I'm here to show you that it is super easy and you can paint just about anything with chalky finish paint. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn this wooden salad bowl that I got from my thrift store for a deal, because I always get deals, into something that looks more like a primitive dough bowl with a painted bottom. So I have antiquing wax and I have like kind of grayish blue chalky paint that I'm going to use to get that look. Chalky finish paint requires very little prep work, no sanding or priming needed. You want to clean the surface of the item you're painting though, since dirt can get caught in the paint and leave lumps in your finish. Using a 1-inch round brush, apply a first coat of paint. Brush strokes will fade as it dries, so don't worry about going with grain. I plan to distress the finish a little bit, so I didn't apply too thick of a first coat. However, if you want an opaque finish, feel free to be generous with your paint. To give the impression of years of wear, I used a paper towel to wipe some wet paint off of the bottom of the bowl. Then I let my first coat dry. I was really happy with how my first coat turned out, so I only applied a light second coat and let it dry. To get a more authentic worn look, I actually took this bowl for a little spin on my sidewalk to naturally sand off some of the paint. You can use actual sandpaper, but this was a little more fun. To apply your antiquing wax, you'll need thick paper towels or a lint-free rag. Dip your brush lightly in water, then wax, and apply a small amount to the surface of your piece. Then buff it with the cloth. If you apply wax to too large of an area, you may need to buff it pretty vigorously to spread it out before it dries. Also, don't forget your gloves. I definitely regretted not wearing them to protect my skin from the dark wax. To finish my bowl, I also applied wax to the inside using the same method. This time though, I wore a glove.